Hello everyone, it's Cynthia, your host for Right Recipe for Travel. Today we're going to be talking about gas stations. Not just any gas station, but a mega gas station, the largest gas stations in the world. I don't know, it almost seems unfair to call this place a gas station. Maybe you know what I'm talking about, especially if you live or have driven through Texas. But it's not just in Texas. They're in Florida and South Carolina, Georgia, Kentucky, and Alabama. But I'm talking about Buc-ees. Do you know what Buc-ees is? If not, I want you to come along with me on this adventure. Why do you ask? Oh, I'm so glad that you asked. I'm about to show you why. There's everything that you can think of at this gas station. As I said, it's unfair to call it a gas station. Hey, are you team Buc-ees or no? Let me know down in the comments, is there a Buc-ees close by you? Have you ever been to Buc-ees? And if so, what's your favorite thing at Buc-ees? Let us know. And stay to the end of the video. I'm gonna give you the number one biggest reason, even bigger than all of the others that I'm going to show you, to stop at Buc-ees. Thanks a lot for coming on this adventure through a gas station. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give us a like and push on that notification bell so that you will be the first to know about new content. Come along with us. It's time to go to Buc-ees. clean. Thank you, Buc-ees.